Hello ladies, my name is Olivia, and in today's video I will be revealing and wrapping with the August Scarf of the Month. Now, before I begin, the Scarf of the Month subscription is one of the benefits of the Wrap Royal and Wrap Legends levels of the Wrapunzel membership. More information on the membership can be found on the Wrapunzel website under specialty items. Now, this is awesome. I cannot believe it's August already. Oh my goodness, this summer has completely flown by. We're more than halfway through the year. Wow. Now, this month's Scarf of the Month is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to jump right in and get to the wrapping because this scarf is amazing. Now, I jump back a second and say, I know I say that a lot, but I don't think I've ever received a dud when it comes to the Scarf of the Month. And when I opened up the package for this one, I was just beyond happy because these colors are becoming my colors for right now. I'm wearing a lot of these beautiful colors. Now, this is the scarf. It is a very big rectangle with beautiful shades of blue and green. And it's a very, very light summer weight. I believe this is viscose scarf. Now, on the ends, we've got these cute fringes, the little tassels on the ends. Love those. These are 2 arm lengths by 1 arm length. So it's pretty big. This is going to be a fantastic scarf for the heat. I am so thankful that this month's scarf is still a light scarf. Because today I think it's like 90 degrees outside and humid. It's very, very, very hot. So, okay, I'm going to be keeping this to one style. And yeah, I'm going to be keeping this to one style. Typically, I do more. I will throw in at the end a little bit of a pairing idea that I had, just keeping with the monochromatic look though, but I won't be wrapping with it. It's just an idea. Now, the accessory, before I get too far ahead of myself, the accessory for this month is a beautiful silver heart brooch. Now, let me find my camera here. The center has a flower. It's a silver color, silver toned metal with the clear crystals. Now, this isn't super huge, and that's cool. I've got a lot of huge brooches. I like this one. Isn't super small, but it's kind of like a really good, could be used at the neck of a high-necked blouse or on the wrap. Now for today's wrap, I chose to do something a little bit different, something somewhat out of my normal comfort zone. I put on my hair pieces and I'm doing a half wrap. Now, I'm also wearing the bobo, as you can see. I like the bobo right now. I have been wearing my Wendy, but I do like the bobo today because I was actually out and about running around. So it was a little bit cooler than my, my Wendy. Okay, now what I'm going to do is something I did not too long ago with this bobo and with another scarf, is had it tied on, and then with this special, when I tied the knot up here, I left the ends out, so it's probably easier to just do it than to explain it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be folding neatly. I'm not going to, this is just a really easy peasy kind of quick wrap. Okay, I'm going to be taking this and just scrunching, just so I have this kind of sash. I made it into a sash. I'm going to place it on my head, not being too fussy. And but I am going to make sure that I'm covering up the bobo. Okay, so feeling around. Okay, so I could have just tied it in the back and left these laying down. And I thought about that and then said I would roast with this all on my neck. So I said, okay, I'm going to just continue with the same kind of feeling. I folded that in a little bit just to make it a little bit easier for myself. Flip this around. Do the same thing here. And then I brought these two tails up. And it doesn't matter which side, this side, this side. I always do this side though. And I'm just going to be tying a knot right here. And then I'm going to fan this out like so. Oops, let's move that knot back some. Okay, I'm going to throw that over there. And I'm going to fan this out some. Let's see if I think I've got a couple of those, just like this. Okay, so I have just like this, and I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm going to take a couple of these pins. They have the balls on the end, and I'm going to just pin it on so that it stays in place. Okay. I chose the ones with the pearls because it's just prettier than the other ones. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this guy. But I'm going to do it so that it's in the back here. Now, grab a couple more pins out of my bin and just kind of stab it in. Okay, and same thing here. I'm just going to pick a spot, doesn't matter where, and have that dangle. And I've got this beautiful, beautiful ruffle right here. Can always adjust it over the bobo. Now I think I might do one more pin in here just to keep it in place. And then for the brooch, I am going to put that right in here. Because I think that would be really pretty. So, I'm thinking this is a nice, cool, easy peasy kind of flowy wrap for a hot day outside. Now, I'm gonna turn around, show the back. Very, very simple. This could also be done with, if you want to show your hair with your hair down. I think that would be cute too. So, okay. Now for me, I'm thinking as a partner scarf for this guy, I would pair it with this guy here. Now I know they're similar colors, but I think this watercolor with this would look really cool. Just again, keeping it really calm, really, really cool, and comfortable and monochromatic. I don't know. Do I do a lot of those? I don't know. I do a lot of wrapping, so I'm not quite sure, but I think this would be a really pretty scarf. Also maybe if a contrast one would be a watercolor in like the pink and orange might be really pretty with this too. I don't have that one right yet, but it's on my list of to buys. So, okay. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of August, and I will see you in the next tutorial.